The Harvard Business School has one of the most rigorous and influential academic programs, and it is grounded in the case method. What the case method does is provide you with this amazing faculty experience with a pedagogy that involves a lot of active learning. But what the world has taught us is we need to prepare our MBA students to be leaders in the digital transformation and artificial intelligence era, because leaders will both need to understand how to use AI, how to scale AI, how to govern AI, but also how to think about issues like privacy. How do you think about issues of security so that when we are using AI, we're using it in the most powerful ways that would benefit society?
One of the things that is so powerful about our program is that the doing part helps our students become builders, makers, and founders. And this is really important, right? They can take some classic problem that organizations are facing, and they can devise solutions using all of these AI tools and technologies and come up with solutions. I mean, it's a way of thinking, it's a way of leading that's shifting, and our students are getting prepared to meet the moment.
We are the first business school to have a required course on data science and artificial intelligence for leaders that every one of our students learn.
HBS has multiple paths for our students. There are folks who want to come here and be money managers, and it's a great place to be able to do that. There are folks who want to come here and innovate. It's a great place to do that. There are folks who want to go into consulting, even though those fields are changing, and healthcare, you name it. So there are multiple paths here. And while students are here, they're going to learn all of the attributes to be an excellent leader in today's time, whether they're joining a large company, small company, or creating a company themselves.
And as we were discussing, this whole point about having skills in leadership and technology places our graduates in a very good position. But what we've done is created a new artificial intelligence-based platform on connections and opportunities where students, when they graduate, can access that platform and tell us what kind of jobs they're looking for, in which industries, locations, salaries. We are connecting it to a database that allows us to provide you with opportunities in areas that you are interested in. We're connecting that to the alumni database to see which alumni you might speak to about this particular opportunity.
So it's not just an MBA, it's frameworks, it's networks, and building, founding, and being able to be a maker. So when you join HBS, you're actually joining a lifelong learning journey for lifelong impact.